Jatend migao mar pur Mutai Kagwe otelo ne twak mar bero chenro mag pur e chiro ma Malindi e kaunti ma Kilifi. Kagwe oromo gi jokombe mag board mag migao no bade ma kadho nam chumbi kono, kama ne gitwak e yore mag nyasani mag bero nweng'o kowuok kuom puothe kokalo gi tiyo gi teknolojia ma nyasani.
The directors are here. Those people, you might have to be working with those people. If you are in a parastatal and you hear the organization is supposedly going to be merged with another organization, now is the time to engage people. It must be a while back that it happened, but we won't make it.
We are working under KAMIS to register our farmers, make sure that we are providing for them in a transparent manner. Because if we don't register the farmers, then there is suspicion about our expenditure levels. For example, you said yourself, this is the rainy season. The rainy season is with us now, and we want to make sure that they get subsidized fertilizers. But we cannot get it to them unless we know who it is going to, and the general public also knows who it is going to. We also want to know that there is accountability in feedback. Using technology, we get feedback from the farmers that they have received the subsidized fertilizer that we have given them.